Good morning students, welcome in class BA part 3rd. In our last video, we were discussing once upon a time, and yesterday we have completed about half part of this poem. Today in this video, we will try to finish it. As we just start our today's line, I am repeating the complete poem in 1 minute only. That is, yesterday, the basic detail as we discussed, it is a communicative poem. And in this communicative poem, various types of the differences created at the time when generation changes. This is the point, especially it is an analysis to be created what at the time when generation changes. In this point, a father is speaking to his son, and the father that is we just described yesterday was very old, and at the time father was young. Means here today the poet expressing his ideas to his young son, and at the time when the poet was young, the father was young, same as the son is today. What there was or what there is, that is basic difference. So when the father was young, there was something different, but at the present time when the son is young, there is something different. So all these differences created in the mind of father, and father surprised that our time was more better, our time was more superior, our time was more original, because at that present time there was nothing to be looked original. There is nothing to be looked actual. Means today we have living only lifeless, because the example of laughing, the example of handshaking, which type of laugh today we can see on the faces of them? There is only temporary laugh, or the laughing related to the portrait, the sweet is laughing. Stable laugh means inside we are not laugh, but from outside we are showing the drama that yes we are. Inside we are not delighted, but from outside we show and try to show ourselves that we are happy, we are delighted. This is the time. And after observing this type of the changes in youth generation, father surprised, but it was original. As the time passes, generation changes, situation changes, system changes, and tradition converted. So all these are the basic reason, or it is not the ability of the son, it is not the feature of the son. Everyone who belongs to this period, everyone who is at the present time is young, must be affected with the generation's aspects, must be affected with the circumstances and situations. So that was the prime feature given in poem. Now in last video we have completed two basic features. Then father describing how the time changes. In our time, when someone come at home, we feel happy, original happy. This is permanent and original actual delightment. But at present time, what is happening today? Today you are showing that I am happy. Today you are telling that meet to glad to meet you. Feel at home. If the guest is coming at one time and then in second time, your attitude generally changes. And in the third time, the next person or the coming person must think that there is no, means the door closed for him. This is the changing. Means at the present time, if you visited once, you feel that it is good. But when you visit second time, there was something changed. Or at the third time, you never want to go there. Means the situation created like it. You are compelled to stop your step there. This was the reason. And although the son is not blameful for it, because he is young now, and it is not possible that he will behave like the young generation of father. How the son can behave that type of the systems? Because the situations and circumstances are not allowed to him to do about it. So this is the basic feature. In our last video, we have completed some types of the lines, and then we also discussed today's young generation faces various types of the face. Their faces change. On the street they behave something different. At home they behave something different. At office their behave change. At market they behave with something another. In cinema halls they behave with something other. In parties they behave with something other. Means they just wear different faces like this. Father surprised, but it was original. Father said that they change their behavior. How they can change their behavior? But they can change behavior same as the dress is changing. So this was the conception that was given in this point. क्योंकि वो तो वो टाइम था, once upon a time. This is the time of father's youth. This is the time when father was young. This is the time when there was originality. This was the time when there was actuality, and this was the time that was meaningful time. Today the life is just now as a drama. There is only everything that is looking, that is only to show a drama. There was nothing to be original there. In last we have discussed about, so I have learned many things sons. The father is calling to son now. The son that is in youth listens everything of the father, and the father says that, my dear son, after looking all these, after observing all these, I have learned various things. And one thing is this, that the today's young generation faces different type of the face at the same time. And then he gives some type of an example, that is home face. At the home, he behaves something different. He may be very good for family members. He may be very affectionate for others. But at another time, office space, there is different face, there is different behavior, or there is different, you can say, task, different conduct. And then street face, or if he is on the road, on the ways, he behaves something different. A same person creates different type of the behavior at different stages. A same person creates different type of the behavior at the different stages. Host face, or if he is found an opportunity to be a host of someone, his face is very different. He becomes very good gentleman there. This is the major differences. These are the basic differences. Cocktail face, and in parties, in function times, gupshup times, there is different type of the face. So all these are the major concern of poet. All these are the basic feeling of the poet, that he feels what happened there at the different type of the stages. So this was a very just a comparative study, and in this comparative study we can analyze what are the major differences at the time of the son or as the time of the father. Now in this video we just start the next line, and then in previous video we have discussed, I have learned many things, and then what he learned further, that is also explained here. And I have learned too, another learning presented by the father, another type of the learning, because experience learns us various types of the things, and this was the experience of the father, that he already experienced through the youth period, and today he is in the old age. So what he feel today, comparatively analysis by the person. I have learned to laugh with only my teeth and shake hand without my heart. And then, my dear son, I have learned what the changes they are. Today we are laughing. Today we are handshaking to each other. But there was only a temporary attachment. There is only a temporary happiness. There is not any actuality. There is not any type of originality. And it seems we are playing a drama of love. It seems we are shaking hand only to show, because as discussed yesterday, from right hand we are shaking hand, but your left side searching the economic status. It's searching the economic stability, your standard, your reputation, your economic level. So this is the basic feature that was given by the father. The father said that I have learned all these. ये सब अनुभव जो है फादर के एक्सपीरियंस सेज, द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ फादर सेज दैट आई हैव लर्न एवरीथिंग, एंड व्हाट ही लर्न दैट इज प्रेजेंटेड बाय द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज आई हैव आल्सो लर्न टू से गुड बाय. और पिताजी ने ये भी देख लिया, सीख लिया कि आज गुड बाय बोला जाता है. व्हेन आई मीन गुड रिडेंस, यू आर स्पीकिंग गुड बाय, but what your mean of goodbye here? Good riddance. Rid means मुक्ति मिलना, छुटकारा मिलना. अच्छा हुआ आपसे पीछा छूटा. Inside you feel better. Inside you feel happy. Inside you are delightful. But from outside you will show you are not delightful. But from outside you will show goodbye. But from outside you will show glad to meet you. So what there is, what you are speaking or what there is inside of you means difference between your outer and internal intention. Difference between your outer and internal intention. Intentionally you are happy to get rid, chutkara. Intentionally you are happy to get rid, but outside you show that I am very happy to meet you. I am very happy to glad. I am very glad to meet you. Try to come again. Come soon. Visit again. All these are, you can say, formality. That is the need of time. That is the condition of time. We must accept. It is the condition we must play all these type of the formalities. When I mean good riddance, to say good to meet you without being glad, बिना खुश हुए ही, and say it is been nice talking to you after being bored, and after the visit of that company, after the visit of that particular type of the person, you bored because you don't want it, because you didn't want to meet him or her, anything else. Even you are telling. Surprise. Even you are telling, I am very happy to meet you. Feel good to meet you. I am very glad to meet you. Even you bored from inside. So internally, you did not want to meet him or her. Internally, you did not want to join the company. Internally, you didn't want that he visited your home. Even you are playing a drama that I am happy to meet you, although you are not happy. This is the major differences that was created here. But believe me, son, I want to be what I used to be when I was like you. I believe me, son, I want to be. पिताजी चाहते हैं कि what I used to be, जैसा मैं था. Although it is not possible. The father wanted that this time must be converted. Your behavior must be converted. The behavior of youth generation must be converted. And they behave like the behave of our generation. Is it possible? It is not possible. The father wanted, it is the desire of father that they just behave like us. That they just behave like our situation, like our circumstances, but it is not possible. When I was like you, I want to unlearn all these mutting things, mutting, meaningless, avastu, having no origins, having not any type of the stability, there is nothing. तो ये जो मटिंग थिंग्स है, अवास्तु चीजें हैं, मैं इन सबको भूल जाना चाहता हूँ, अनलर्न नहीं सीखना चाहता. The father says that I don't want to learn all these because they have not any original sense, because they have not any originality, because they have not any type of the actuality, and I don't want to learn it. Most of all, I want to relearn most of all, और हम सब ज़्यादातर लोग, this is the suggestion of father, or you can say that this is the moral lesson of father. Father says that I just want that we must learn it. We is using for the youth. So the father says that you means youth generation will learn it. They will acquire the knowledge from our past. They will get the information and system and try to accept that system in their life. Try to adopt the system of our time, the behavior of our time, the conduct of our time. I want to relearn how to laugh. For my laugh is mirror to show only my teeth like snakes, bear fangs. सांप के bear फंग जो होते हैं, यानी फंग कान देता है जब सांप बड़ा जहरीला लगता है। तो आज के समय में जो शो कर रही है हंसी के साथ दांत, ऐसे लग रहा है कि ऊपर से तो दांत शो कर करके हंस रहा है, बल्कि इनसाइड he or she is very poisonous. Try to understand the comparison. What the father says. Father says that today what seems from outside you are laughing, but from inside, if you search in the deepness, you may feel that it is not laughing. Laughing is from the cover hair. Laughing is only superficial hair, but from inside there is something that is the snake situation. जिस प्रकार से जहरीला सांप होता है, अंदर से उसकी हालत ऐसी है, और वो व्यक्ति जिसके अंदर जहरीला सांप बैठा है वो हंस रहा है। मीन्स व्हाट इज देयर इनसाइड, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर. द फादर जस्ट वांट टू चेंज इट, टू से गुड मीट टू यहाँ मोस्ट ऑफ ऑल टू लर्न. यस, सो शो मी सन, द लास्ट स्टेज, द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ द पॉइंट. सो इसलिए शो मी सन, आप मुझे बताना बेटे. दिस इज द पर्सनल एडवाइस टू सन, पर्सनल सजेशन टू सन, नॉट एप्लीकेबल फॉर ऑल यंग जनरेशन. हाउ टू लव, शो मी हाउ टू लव. अब आप मुझे बताओगे हाउ टू लव. शो मी हाउ आई यूज टू लव एंड स्माइल वंस अपॉन ए टाइम व्हेन आई वाज लाइक यू. So this is used to, as we discussed yesterday, used to is used as the past habit. He used to run fast when he was child. He used to run fast when he was child. Means used to is applicable to show the past habit. Same as we used could. Means now the father required. The father just wants to learn something. The father just wants to get something, that my dear son will follow my path. My dear son will follow the conduct of our youth system. My dear son will follow the situations and the circumstances. That was very original. That was very meaningful. Everything must be like it. And this is the request of son, that my dear, this is the request of the father, that my dear son, you just follow my path. Means you follow the path when I was like you. So this is very important conception that was given. And in the last part of this poem, a father gives a very great moral lesson. And what that moral lesson? Believe in originality. What that great lesson? How to live life. What that great lesson? There should be actuality. There should be something meaningful. If you laugh, it should be original. If you handshake, it should be original. Behave same. Don't change your faces like dress. All these are the basic conception that was given in poem at the last. Even the poem is very comparative, and through this poem we have discussed various types of the conception of comparison, various types of a comparative study that was given here, various types of the ideas and good suggestion that was also given here, and all these are the basic reason why the father is not happy. Because father is just comparing his time, and to whom father is comparing his time? father is comparing his youth with the today's youth. And the result and the motto of this poem, everything affects with the time. Time is effective on every creation. Everyone changes according to the speed of time. So this was not the blame of son here. This was not the blame of only youth generation. It was the time that might change them. And according to that changing, everyone affected it. And this is the situation of sun here, that the sun is also affected with it. So in this point, we have learned everything about the communication style of father, about the comparative background of poem, and through this poem, we just make a clear picture of generation gap. The generation gap, that is a very logical topic at present time. What there are basic changes at the time when generation changes. Although the poem is very practical and educational also, we can learn various types of the knowledge in this poem. So in Okara's this poem, Once Upon a Time, we have discussed two important aspects of life. One important aspect, that is the art of living. According to the time of father's youth, he just describing about the art of living. Second, it is a part of personality. Advice and suggestion that was given here is the part of personality. How to improve personality, how to laugh, how to shake hand, how to behave to one another, how to take face similar everywhere, how to behave to everyone. All these are the suggestions that was given by father and are very applicable here in this point. In our next video, we will start the next point. Thank you.